aqua. Aqua, the colour. What is the colour? Aqua means water. So what colour's water? We're going to say a bluey, greeny sort of colour, but obviously it will vary considerably. But let's start with just the three primaries to see how we might get to an aqua, and then we'll talk about some other colours that we could use. So, as I say, predominantly we're going to be using the primary blue, or if you've got a phthalo blue, even better, because that's where we're going to take the primary blue. So, I've got my three primaries there. I don't need to put the red out because I'm not going to use it. What I want to do is I want to get a sort of greeny blue going, and then I'm going to add some white to it. So it's predominantly blue with a tiny touch of yellow. As I say, if you've got phthalo blue, which you might have, then you're probably good to go with that. If you've got an ultramarine blue, it's got a little bit too much red in it, it's not a green blue, it's a red blue, and if you try mixing it with a yellow, you're going to kind of get a really dull finish. All right, so you can see here I've got that blue's got a really nice greeny tone to it, and you know, if we're trying to paint aqua, we're trying to paint the colour, then we're trying to paint a blue, something probably like the ocean or that sort of thing. Of course, you could use other colours like, oh, there we go, Southern Ocean blue. And if that straight out of the tube with some white, and we're going to get a colour very similar to what we've just made there, actually. So we just mix, it's just a little bit more intense. But that's a lovely sort of aqua as well. We've actually got aqua green light, so it's more of a green colour, obviously, here. And really any green with white is going to give you a sort of aqua-y, turquoisey sort of colour. So aqua, it's a greeny blue, generally reduced with a bit of white so you can see that undertone coming through. Give it a try. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.